Sekhmet's children. This is Sekhmet's SapphyreSun from Sekhmet's Healing Kitchen. And today I am going to show you guys how I make my own 5 Ayurvedic Pre-Poo in Hibiscus conditioner for thinning mature hair. Now, I am not going to show you how I make this. I'm going to have a separate video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But today, most definitely, I'm going to show you how I use these 5 powerful Ayurvedic herbs for my pre-poo. Because today is wash day and my hair is dirty and it's shrunk and all of that. Thank you for subscribing, and those that haven't, don't forget to. Also, please like this video so that it can be seen across the YouTube world. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Be right back. Thank you for coming back, Sekhmet's children, to my 5 Ayurvedic Herbal PrePoo, and I am going to show you how I condition my hair with a leave-in hibiscus conditioner for thinning mature hair. I just turned 59 this month, guys. We have powders today, and this is aloe vera. And all of these items are organic. So it's wash day, so I don't have no bra on, and I got on my old t-shirt, okay? Woo, this aloe vera is strong. I can taste the bitterness. So I am going to take 1 tablespoon, and if we have to add more, we will. But we are going to start off with 1 tablespoon. Can you see that? Okay, that's 1 tablespoon of aloe vera powder. Next, we have henna. And I got all of these items from Amazon, and I will have them listed in the description for your purchase. And next item is Brahmi. Has a nice smell. This is my first time using Brahmi. Our 5th item is hibiscus flowers. And so these are not the original hibiscus flowers that came in this particular packet. So if once you buy this Feel Good, I don't want you to think they're going to be this large. I got these from the local international market. And so when I ran out this brand, I put them in here. So you see. So what we're going to do, I'm going to make it into a powder. This is a coffee grinder, but it grinds herbs also. Ooh, look at that. How special. Okay, so we got powdered hibiscus flower. We are going to mix all of these herbs. This is my own magical growth oil. Why do I say it's magical? I made this last year during the full moon. If you're interested on how to make this oil, how to make it magical, then here's the video from my other channel, which is called Sekhmet Awakens. So you can use any oil, but I'm using my special oil. And we're gonna mix it all around. I'm gonna put some more. But we're not done yet. Now here we have some coconut milk. See? So how much we're going to put, we'll see. We might even have to put some water. I don't know. Coconut milk is very nice and thick. It's gonna be so nice for my hair. It's thick, guys. This is my first time making this. So you guys are learning along with me. We don't need no water, because I'm going to put water on my hair. And then I'm going to apply this. Aloe vera powder conditions thinning mature hair. It adds moisture and it nourishes and stimulates new growth for mature thinning hair. Henna helps restore the pH of the scalp to its natural acid-alkaline level, thus strengthening the hair follicles. Henna's naturally nourishing properties has the perfect ingredient to turn dry, damaged, and unhealthy hair into soft, shiny hair. Brahmi is a well-known promoter of hair growth. It strengthens and repairs damaged hair follicles. This herb's nourishing properties prevents hair loss, therefore making it the perfect herb for thinning mature hair. AMLA powder conditions scalp, promotes healthy hair growth, minimizes gray hair, makes hair thicker. And our fifth herb is hibiscus powder. Hibiscus powder stops the hair loss, thickens the hair, and adds volume. It conditions against dryness and breakage. And one of the oils that I used in my hair growth is avocado oil. Avocado oil is rich in antioxidants, minerals, essential fatty acids, biotin, vitamins A, B through 5, and E. It moisturizes, repairs, and strengthens the hair, as well as sealing the cuticle cells of your hair. So therefore, avocado oil is a moisturizer and a sealant. Coconut milk. Experts say that coconut milk is known for its large content of vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B, vitamin B3, vitamin B1, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, as well as iron, selenium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Because of these nutrients, the scalp remains nourished and hair follicles are strengthened, thereby promoting hair growth. Okay, Sekhmet's children, I found a jar where I could put it in. What I don't use, I will put it in the freezer and use it for my next shampoo. I'm going to show you how I apply it to my hair. And you know, our hair needs to be wet. This is aloe vera and essential oils. And this is the aloe vera gel that I use. It's by Lily of the Desert. Lily of the Desert. Okay? Let's spray the hair some more. See, my hair I do have some length. It's just shrunk from all the dirt. Now, because I'm spraying it with the aloe vera and the essential oils, no grease, just the aloe vera and essential oils. So you can see this with your own eyes. Okay? Okay, so we are going to use my 5 Ayurvedic Pre-Poo treatment. I'm going to put this phone on another tripod because you guys can't see this. Okay, guys. I got you closer now so you can see. Okay, Sekhmet's children, I will be leaving this on my hair for an hour or two. And we will be back. The next clip you will see, I will be showing you how I apply my hibiscus leave-in conditioner after my shampoo. See you in a little while. Alrighty. We are back. This is the 5 Ayurvedic Herbal PrePoo that I just washed out of my hair. And now I'm going to show you how I am going to put this hibiscus leave-in conditioner in my hair. Comment below if you would like to see how I made this hibiscus leave-in conditioner. All right, there's my hair. Sekhmet's children, this completes our 5 Ayurvedic Herbal PrePoo and my leave-in hibiscus conditioner for thinning mature hair. Make sure you comment if you would like for me to show you how I made this powerful leave-in hibiscus conditioner for thinning mature hair. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video so that it can be seen across the YouTube world. Hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Remember to love yourself unconditionally without judgment. Until next time.